Second wide angle shot spotted. This time I got wildflowers in the foreground, a trail in the middle, and a mountain in the background, and a dramatic sky. You see, it starts raining over there. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Ming. Today is a Capture One quick edit video and I'm going to show you how I edit that photo in Capture One. But before we get into that, I just want to remind you a couple of things. First of all, Capture One for Fuji and Capture One for Sony are currently 50% off, and this promotion runs until the end of August 2019. The second, I want to let you know that Capture One starts to offer a special coupon for students. If you are a student, now you can get Capture One for 65% less. Oh boy, I wish I was still a student, but I am not. Maybe I will go and look for my previous student ID. See you in a little bit. Anyway, check out all the coupon discounts and more information in the description below. Alright guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, this is the photo we are going to take a look, and this is the edited photo, and let me show you the original raw straight off the camera, and this is the after. Alright, so first let me reset all the changes that I have done to this photo. So first thing first, I don't like the aspect ratio. I think there is too much dead space on the left hand side, so I'm gonna go to the crop tool. And overall, I don't like the aspect ratio. I'm gonna change the aspect ratio from the original 2:3 ratio to 3:4. And then I'm gonna make the crop, move the photo a little bit towards the right hand side, just like that, to remove the dead space on the left. Alright, now let's go to the levels tool and click on A for automatic to automatically adjust black point, midpoint, and a white point. And in this case, I'm gonna pull the black point further in just a little bit, as well as the midpoint to add more contrast, maybe like that. Alright, now go to high dynamic range tool, because as you can tell, the sky is blown out, and because I shot in RAW, I got a lot of dynamic range to recover. So go to high dynamic range tool, and I'm gonna move highlight slider all the way to the right to recover all the details in the sky, because I really like the drama in the sky. Now I think overall the photo is a little bit dark. I'm gonna go to the levels tool again and readjust my white point. And then I think I'm gonna use the brightness slider, make the foreground overall brighter. Alright, maybe like that. And then I still want to darken the sky, so I'm gonna add a new layer and then grab the gradient mask tool and press shift so it is a vertical mask. You can press M to see the mask that you have selected. Alright, now I'm gonna go to the exposure slider. I'm gonna make it darker. And then I want to emphasize the texture and the contrast in the sky. So I'm gonna go to clarity tool, and I'm gonna do clarity around 15. So this is before, this is after. And then I'm gonna go to the white balance tool. I want to make it overall a little bit more blue. So change the mode to shot, which gives you the original white balance, and then move the slider towards the left hand side to make it looks cooler. All right, And I'm gonna add a little bit more saturation to the sky. Okay, now I want to pull the eye into the middle of this photo. I'm gonna create a new layer, and this time I'm gonna grab a radial mask, and then I'm gonna draw the mask right in the middle. Again, press M to see what you have selected. In this case, I just want to put it somewhere in the middle, maybe like that. And then I want to make it brighter to draw people's eye into it. And then I want to make it warmer to contrast the color in the sky. So change it to shot and then move the slider towards the right hand side to make it warmer. Okay, again, a little bit more saturation. Okay, and now I got some white flowers in the foreground. I want to emphasize that as well. I'm gonna create a new layer. Also grab the radial mask. Ooh, that's not it. Create a new layer, radial mask. There we go. And put it on the white flowers in the foreground. And make it a little bit brighter. And a little bit more saturated as well. Just a little bit. And then I'm gonna go back to the background layer and overall add a little bit saturation to the entire image as well. Now I have heavy vignetting around the corners. Before I add vignetting, I want to remove this vignetting first because it is caused by the lens. So go to the lens section, you have light fall off, move that slider, and you can see that brightens the corner of the photos. All right, that looks good. Then I'm gonna go to the vignetting tool. Then I will add some vignette back into the photo. All right, just a couple changes, a couple clicks. We turned this original raw file from this into this. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button down below. And if you're the first time on the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you are interested in Capture One, remember to check out coupon discount and more information in the description below. Alright guys, enjoy photography. Hope to see you next time. Bye.